Here's our printer. When I turn it on, it's going to make a sound. It does not sound normal. The vibration right there. In fact, yeah, it's back there somewhere. That was actually the shortest I've ever heard the sound. Maybe my touching it did that. I did want to point out that the printer arrived in a box that looked like it had been retaped a bunch of times, and I did notice that it didn't look very well put together. And in fact, this is all cracked here. Again, this is straight out of the box. But you know, we didn't want to be, I don't know, it took a while to get here and my kid was way too excited. Oh, I could probably see what's going on in there actually. So we just decided to live with it because it did seem to be printing. And it's doing a print job right now just to test for any more sounds. Just giving you another view of the back. This doesn't show the issue as much as the other side. There's a little weirdness right there, and that was cracked. And again, this is how it came out of the box. There's a couple cracks there, and the vent is cracked and bent. But again, it seemed to be printing okay, and then after a few weeks, it started making that crazy noise.